Hey friends, on today's video we are taking a closer look at these LECAGE ski and snowboard goggles.
Check these out. These are awesome goggles. Really good looking. Super clear to see out of. Ooh, nice case. Sweet, it looks good. Come with a nice case to clean, a nice big case. Let's see, I've been dying to do this. Oh good, there's two buttons you push so that way they don't pop up. Oh nice. When you're up on the lift and you need to let it vent. Yes. Yeah, check them out. Flip top. So you gotta actually grab and push on this to open them. Oh, you just actually pull on it. It's got a nice spring tension. I'm really excited to take these extremely clear. They haven't fogged up. I've had them on for a little while. Pop them right off like that. Come with a nice case. Protected. You could put something inside of here if you wanted to. And a good cleaning case. These are great. They feel like really good quality. And they're good looking too, if I don't say so myself.
These are LECAGE goggles. Definitely a thumbs up from us. You can check them out right here on Amazon. Stay tuned, friends. We do a ton of these little outdoor adventure review videos to help make your shopping experience just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.